Hello friends, I am back with my new video. In this video, I am going to teach you about determinants Cramer's rule exercise 6.3. What is the question given? Question 2. An amount of rupees 5000 is invested in three plans of rate 6%, 7% and 8% per annum respectively. The total annual income of rupees is rupees 350. If total annual income from the first two investment is rupees 70 more than the income from the third investment, then we have to find the amount invested in each plan by Cramer's rule. Then we will let's take let's take all this amount invested in three plan x, y and z. So the first equation we will get is x plus y plus z equals to 5000, the amount invested here. First equation we have found. Then in income one income one, that is I have converted this percentage in fraction form. What I have got 6 upon 100x. Then the similar way 7% into 7 upon 100y, 8% 8 upon 100y, and the total income is 350. Then we have got second equation also. 6 upon 100x plus 7 upon 100y plus 8 upon 100z equals to 350. Then here we will multiply this with 100. We will multiply both the side by 100. This 100 will get cut, this 100 will get cut, this 100 will get cut, and here 100 will be multiplied. So what we will get? 35,000. Second equation is 6x plus 7y plus 8z equals to 35,000. Then what they have said here, if the total annual income from the first two investment is rupees 70 more than the income from the third investment. So what is our total annual income from the first investment? We will take as 6 upon 100 x plus 7 upon 100 y. This is our first two investment. This is our first two investment. Then what they have told, more than the income from the third investment. What we will do, 70 plus more is there, more than is there, so plus sign will come. 70 plus third investment, what we have got, 8 upon 100 z. Then again here also we will multiply by 100. So here this 100 will get cut, this 100 will get cut, and this 100 will get cut, and here 100 will be multiplied. So what we will get, 6x plus 7y is equals to 8x plus 7000. Then we will take this 8x on left hand side. So what we will get, 6x plus 7y minus 8x is equals to 7000. Our third equation is formed. Then we will find determinant, that is D. Here I have not done that cross multiplication form. I have done directly, but I am showing you how to do it. Copy this one as it is down. Hide first column and first row. What is left? 7 and 8 is left. When we will cross multiply, minus 8 into 7, 56, minus 56, 8 into 7, 56. I have got here. Then again copy this one as it is down. Hide first column and second row. What is left? 6 and 6 is left. 8 and minus 8 is left. Then we will cross multiply. 6 into minus 8, 48. 6 into 8, 48. See here I have written. Then again copy this one as it is down. Hide first column and third row. What is left? 6 and 6 is left. 7 and 7 is left. 6 into 7, 42. 6 into 7, 42. When we will cross multiply. Then then we will solve this bracket minus 56 and minus 56, minus sign will come and we will add this number. Then here minus 48 and minus 48, here also we will add this number and minus sign we will put. 42 minus 42, 0. So minus 112 and minus 96 we have got when we will add these brackets. And minus 112 into 1 we will get minus 112 only. Here also minus 1 into minus 96, when we will multiply plus 96 it will become. When we will subtract this number, the greater sign number will come, and minus 16, that when we will subtract this minus 16 we have got, and the sign of greater number, so the value of D is minus 16. Then again we have to find dx. Here at the place of a1, a2, a3 we have to put the value of d1, d2, d3, and the value of d1, d2, d3 is 5000, 35,000 and 7000. Here also I have not done that cross multiplication. Copy this number 5000 as it is down, hide first column and first row. What is left? 7 and 7 is left, 8 and minus 8 is left. When we cross multiply, 7 into minus 8, minus 56, 7 into 8, 56. Again when we will copy this one, hide first column and second row. What is left? 35,000 and 7,000 is left, 8 and minus 8 is left. When we will cross multiply 35,000 into 8 minus 8, what we will get? Minus 2,80,000. When we will multiply 7,000 into 8, what we will get? Minus 56,000, because minus sign we will put here by the rule. Then copy this one as it is, hide first column and third row. What is left? 35,000 and 7,000 is left, 7 and 7 is left. When we cross multiply 35,000 into 7, 2,45,000 we will get. 7,000 into 7,000 into 7, 49,000 we will get. Then we will solve this bracket minus 56 into minus 56 and minus 56. We will add this number and the minus sign will come. So we have got minus 112. When we will solve this bracket, we will add this and minus sign we will put. So what we have got? Minus 3,36,000. When we will subtract this number 2,45,000 and minus 49,000, we will get 1,96,000. Then we will multiply this number with minus 112 with 5,000, we will get minus 5,60,000. Here plus 3,36,000 will become, because minus and minus plus, and in middle multiplication sign is there. Here 1,96,000. Then we have to subtract this number first, 5,60,000 and 3,36,000. Sign of greater number minus. Then whatever the number will come here will come in minus, and we have to subtract it and the sign of greater number. Then the value of dx we will get is minus 28,000. Then we have to find x. Dx upon d, minus 28,000 upon minus 16. This minus and minus sign will cut, and when we will divide 16 by 28, we will get the value of x, that is 1,750. In similar way we will find dy here, but at the place of b1, b2, b3 we will put the value of d1, d2, d3, that is 5,000, 35,000 and 7,000. Then again copy this one as it is down, hide first column and first row. What is left? 35,000 and 7,000 is left, 8 and minus 8 is left. Copy it down as it is. Copy this 5,000 as it is down, hide first column and second row. What is left? 6 and 6 is left, 8 and minus 8 is left. Copy this down as it is. Then again Copy this one as it is down. Hide first column and third row. What is left? 6 and 6 is left. 35,000 and 7,000 is left. Then we will do cross multiplication. 35,000 into minus 8 minus 28,000. 7,000 into 8 56,000. Copy this 5,000 as it is down. 6 into minus 8 minus 48. 6 into 8 48. Copy this minus 1 as it is down. 6 into 7,000 42,000. 35,000 into 6 2,10,000 we will get. Then we will solve this bracket. Minus 28,000 minus 56,000, we will add this number and minus sign will come. Then by solving this bracket we have got minus 8,000 84,000 we have got. When we will solve this bracket and multiply with 5,000, we will get 48,000 4,80,000. When we will subtract this 42,000 minus 2,10,000, we will get minus 1,68,000. Then we will subtract this number, first two number 8 minus 84,000 plus 4,80,000, and we will put the sign of a greater number. So what we will get? 3,96,000 we will get. Then we will minus it with 1,68,000. Then the value of dy is 2,28,000. Then we have to find y. Dy upon d, 2,28,000 divided by minus 16, we will get the value of y, that is 1,500. In similar way we will find dz, but at the place of c1, c2, c3 we will put the value of d1, d2, d3, that is 5,000, 35,000 and 7,000. Here also copy this one as it is. Add first column and first row. What is left? 7 and 7 is left. 35,000 and 7,000 is left. Copy this down. Write it down. Then copy this one as it is. Add first column and second row. What is left? 6 and 6 is left. 35,000 and 7,000 is left. Write it down. Then copy this 5,000 as it is. Hide first column and third row. What is left? 6 and 6 is left. 7 and 7 is left. Write it down. Then we will cross multiply 7 into 7,000. 49,000 we will get. 35,000 into 7. 2,45,000 we will get when we will multiply 35,000 into 7. Copy this minus 1 as it is down. 6 into 7,000 42,000, and when we will multiply this 6 into 35,000 we will get 2,10,000. Copy this 5,000 as it is. 7 into 6 42, 7 into 6 42. Then we will solve this bracket. 49,000 minus 2,45,000 we will get minus 1,96,000. When we will solve this bracket, 42,000 minus 2,10,000 we will get plus 1,68,000, sign of a greater number. 42 minus 42, 0. Then we will solve this number. Here we will do subtraction and the sign of a greater number will come, that is minus. Here the sign of a greater number is minus. When we will subtract this both the number, we will get minus 28,000. So the value of a dz is minus 28,000. Then we will find z. The dz upon, we will divide it with d, determinant dz upon d, minus 28,000 upon minus 16. Minus and minus sign will get cut. When we will divide 28,000 by 16, we will get the value of z, that is 1,750. Then let's see question 4. What is written? Find k if equation are consistent. They have given equation x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, 2x plus y minus 4 minus k is equal to 0, x minus 2y minus 3k is equal to 0. Here we have to find the value of k. Let's do it. Here also we have to first find determinant D. Here copy this one as it is, hide first column and first row. What is left? 4 and minus 2 is left, minus 1 and minus 3 is left. Then we will cross multiply. 4 into minus 3, minus 12 k, minus 12k. Here minus 2 into 1, minus 1 plus 2. Then again copy this 3 as it is, hide first column and second row. What is left? 2 and 1 is left, minus 1 and minus 3 is left. Then cross multiplication. 2 into minus 3, minus 6k, minus 1 into minus 1 into 1, k will come. Then again copy this 2 as it is, hide first column and third row. What is left? 2 and 1 is left, 4 and minus 2 is left. When we will cross multiply, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 4 into 1, 4. Then we will solve this bracket, minus 12k minus 2. We will get minus 14k, and the sign of minus 6k and minus in bracket minus k is there. So minus 6k plus k. Here minus 4 and minus 4 is there, minus 8. What we have got? Minus 12k and minus 2k, which will become minus 14, and the sign of minus we will put here, minus 5, and then we will multiply this 5 minus 5k we will get when we solve this bracket, and then we will multiply with minus 3, so minus 15 we will get. Then again minus 8 into 2, 16, minus 16. What we will get the equation? Minus 14k minus 3 into minus 5k minus 16. When we will solve this whole, we will get the value of D, that is k minus 16. Here minus 3 into minus 15 plus minus 5k we will get plus 15, and minus 14 plus 15k 1 will get, so only k is left, so k minus 16. Determinant is equals to k minus 16. Equation are consistent as D is equals to 0. Here we will put the value of D, that is k minus 16 is equals to 0. So then we will put this 16 on right hand side, so minus sign will become positive, plus sign, so the value of a k is 16. I hope you all have understood this exercise. Thank you for watching my video. For more such videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and like and comment on my videos, and also follow on my on social media. I have given the link in description.